4 most common types of fuel, and what you should know about them. There are 3 fuel alternatives available at practically every gas station in the United States as you pull up. What are these saying? While most motorists pick for the cheapest option or lowest grade of fuel, some do so because they believe it will be best for their vehicle's engine. Avoid accidentally pulling up to the diesel pump if the 3 buttons are perplexing you, because that is also confusing territory. Any driver can benefit from having a basic understanding of gasoline kinds and grades, which will guide their selections and enhance the performance of their vehicle. The several fuel types that are on the market today, along with their traits and their applications, are listed below. Types of fuel for cars. 1. Gasoline. The most popular form of motor fuel, gasoline is used to power vehicles such as cars, boats, lawnmowers, motorcycles, and scooters all around the world. Because it is a specific type of fossil fuel generated from petroleum, it is known as petrol in the United Kingdom. The hydrocarbons in gasoline and the carbon dioxide produced during its production should be noted, as they both contribute to pollution and smog. Gas stations are nonetheless widespread in spite of this. Gas is typically offered in 3 octane levels, or grades. The research octane number, RON, and OCI of a certain formula are used to indicate grades. Drivers will be informed which pump releases which grade via stickers or labeling. The least expensive and lowest octane option is often 87 OCI. The mid-grade ranges from 88 to 90 OCI. The octane rating of premium or high-grade gasoline ranges from 90 to 94 OCI. Different fuel grades don't burn in the same ways. The lower the grade or lower the octane rating, the faster and more intensely it burns under pressure. Because their motors produce more fuel compression for improved drivability, SUVs and sports cars perform better on plus or premium, higher octane fuel. However, the cheapest and lowest gasoline option works perfectly with the majority of automobiles. If you choose plus or premium gas for a car that only needs ordinary petrol, you won't get higher fuel economy. 2. Diesel fuel. Diesel fuel is similarly derived from petroleum, but it goes through a different process of refinement than does gasoline. Diesel fuel is used by a lot of large and industrial trucks, as well as transport trucks and agricultural machinery. Diesel fuel comes in 2 varieties, one made exclusively for cars and the other for off-road vehicles. Diesel-powered vehicles have seen a renaissance in recent years as a result of the rising cost of all fuels, including gasoline and diesel. Generally speaking, diesel-powered cars are more fuel-efficient than gasoline-powered ones. Additionally, despite the fact that diesel is more expensive, some drivers believe they are getting more for their money. Volkswagen is a reputable producer of diesel vehicles. 3. Biodiesel. Biodiesel is a type of diesel fuel that is produced using either vegetable or animal fats. Algae, soybean oil, lard, and vegetable oils can all be used to make it. Some resourceful motorists have discovered ways to turn leftover cooking oil into biodiesel, which fuels modified automobile engines. Although ethanol is not frequently used as a primary fuel for cars, it is an additive that is added to regular gasoline. Because ethanol is a cheap fuel generated from renewable resources like corn and sugarcane, many automakers are developing cars that can run on it. There are a few car models that can run on 100% ethanol if you're looking for an ethanol-powered vehicle. The majority of cars today are gasoline-powered, but alternative types are becoming more and more common, particularly those that use batteries. For your car to run at its best, be sure you are buying the right kind of fuel.